Okay, I'm making this video of the 1970 Chevrolet truck. It's dirty. Have not bothered to wash it. As you can see, the wheels are aluminum but outdated, 6 lug. I've got a lot of stuff kind of stored in the back that I didn't have room for after I put this truck in the garage, just miscellaneous stuff that would come out pretty quickly. The bed, all this is just surface rust. I mean, it's very solid. It's just basically where the paint was scratched from putting stuff in the truck. There's a spot over there that I will get at when I get on that side to show that it is also surface rust. The interior of the truck, it's got a nice steering wheel. I think I paid $260 for this Grant steering wheel a long time ago, but it's got a CD player. The seats are recovered velour, not in terrible shape, but they're just so comfortable. I just could never bring myself to take it out. The middle console folds down to like an armrest, but it is a seat. But I will show the engine compartment before starting the truck. You can see the door panels, handles, locks, everything is intact. The door shut remarkably well. That door shut fully. Now, as you can see, it is dirty. I will need to set the phone down while I open the hood because it takes both hands, because I have to kind of put my fingers in right here as I do it, so 1 second. Okay. Has a new Delco battery, it's brand new. I also put a brand new starter on it the other day because the other starter was kind of dragging. That's about a $90 starter, 80 bucks plus 80 something plus tax, whatever. But the truck has double hump heads. If I can get this phone down here to, okay, that's the double humps. They're a 462 casting. It does have power steering, as you can see. It's got just valve covers. It's got some roller tip rockers, not the true roller rockers, but they're better than just a stamped steel rocker. The intake was clean, but when I had the carburetor rebuilt, it wasn't completely right, and it leaked fuel onto it that stained it. But that could be cleaned back up pretty well. This is just so the air filter will go on there better. It is a vacuum secondary Holly 750. As you see, there's no power or whatever on the brakes. They're just straight manual. But let's see. I was gonna pull it out, but I'm gonna just take the video from the side because I've got the back on jack stands. I simply just don't have time to take it all the way out, but I'm gonna go back there to the back where the spot was. As you can see, it does not have rear view mirrors on it, but this is the spot that you can see from the other side, and it is solid. There's, you know, here's a piece of metal. Touch it. Solid. It's just surface rust back here. And this is the spot on the rear of the bed. As you can see, it's hardly noticeable. Right here is where it's kind of pushed in, but it's so slight that looking at it straight on, you can barely tell it. But anyway, let me ease around the truck. I have not started this truck today, but it does start like very quickly. It's I just give it 2 pumps of the gas pedal, and usually it'll start right up. 1, 2. It does have a CD player and some speakers. It's okay, but that's basically the truck. I mean, it could be cleaned up and driven, or it could be, you know, fixed up and done whatever with. But I'm going to get you this email. If you have any more questions, just give me a call. Thank you.